Your AC just died, and customers are walking out the door. Every minute without cooling costs you money, reputation, and comfort. At Riley Heat and Air, we specialize in emergency commercial HVAC repairs across Northwest Washington, D.C. Rooftop units, split systems, whatever broke down, we fix it fast. While other companies make you wait, we understand that downtime kills business. Your employees deserve comfort. Your customers expect professionalism, and your bottom line depends on both. Call 202-386-6300 now.